Good morning, good morning. Hello. Yeah, pati yan, pati. Ano 8.8? Oh, tama. 8.2. Galing ka sa labas eh. Hindi, tara. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so we have had, this is the new normal that we have. Thank you. Okay, so nobody is here. So we're getting to our regular worship service with distancing. So we don't have any children's school.
Morning po.
Hi, morning, Pastora.
Morning. Ang
Ilan kayo?
tatlo.
Dito kayo ba? Ay, G.
Social
May
distancing.
tao na ba dyan?